We are in Reading, Pennsylvania. Sarah's here. We're doing a train excursion today on the Reading Blue Mountain and Northern Railway. And we're going to a lot of places, and they drop us somewhere for 3.5 hours, and we shop for a while, and then we'll come back. But I'm not seeing a locomotive yet, unless it's down there somewhere. And there's a steam train over there in the corner that y'all should really Google map, because it's really interesting. So that's it. We're about to board up, and yeah. We're apparently there was no locomotive. Yeah, that's what we were waiting for. But that's what we've been riding the whole time. I thought a diesel had hooked up to us, but apparently not. So there goes our ride. We'll be back in 3 hours. Okay, we just finished up our trip from Reading up to Jim Thorpe. This is out in the parking lot. This is a 1913 CLC, Canadian Locomotive Works. Yeah. 460. Sorry, a little breezy here. The wind's kicking up, and we're right beside a highway, because of course we are. We finished the train ride. Took us from Reading to Port Clinton, to Makwa, and then all the way up to Jim Thorpe. It was a good day. And it takes you up to, you know, Harry Potter Town, which is basically, yeah.
It is very cool.
Yeah. But out in the parking lot is this. Go to Google Maps and Google Map this location right here, which is the, holy shit, they're coming up here. I didn't know they come up here.
I saw that one, and that one's out.
That's what we traveled on today. I guess they store them right here. Pretty cool. I don't know what kind of cars these are. They're self-propelled cars. So maybe y'all can tell me. They look like subways or something. But back to this right here. Google map this location. Go to Street View. Look at it from that street right there. And then look at it from the street on the other side over there. You'll see something completely different. It's really neat. Trust me. Street view from that road, and then street view from the main road right here. But for now, here's the other side of the train. Wind's kicking up. Storm's coming in. I'm gonna stop here, take some pictures, check out the rest of the stuff that we did today. All right, thanks.